Hello friends, my name is Sala. You're watching Smart Code and learning JavaScript. And this is our tutorial number 30. As I mentioned in the previous tutorial, we would practice string manipulation using string methods. String manipulation is an important skill, and as a programmer, you need to master this skill because on the web, you deal with the strings constantly. So if you're good at string manipulation, then your job is easy. You can change, update, format, and break strings confidently according to your need. Right? So the string manipulation is important, and that's why every programming language provides a wide range of string methods. And by using them, you can easily perform a manipulation on the string. We are also going to do string manipulation and will use several string methods. In this tutorial, we give you an understanding about what string manipulation is and how string built-in method help us to do manipulation. Right, so let's start manipulating the string. On the screen, you see the task we are going to perform. In the first task, we are going to reverse our string. In the second task, we are going to fix capitalization problem. And in the third task, we are going to create a new string from the old one. And in our task number 4, we will try to find out Christmas greeting message, right? So let's solve these tasks one by one. The test one is about reverse a string. If this is the input, then that would be the output. And here is the string that we are going to reverse. Now, in order to reverse the string, I will first split the entire string into characters. So now we have divided a string into characters, and on that, I will call reverse method. And this reverse method is gonna reverse the characters. And when the character are reversed, then I will call join method. This join method is gonna join all the characters and forms a single string object. That's it. Our string is now reversed. You can cancel log to see the output. And here you see our string is totally reversed. Let's now solve the task number 2. Here we are going to fix capitalization. We will only allow first letter to be in uppercase. So let's say, how do we solve this issue? I will first access the first character in the string and capitalize it. So the first character is now capitalized, and now I'm going to pick the remaining characters using the slice method. And so on the remaining characters, I will apply to lowercase, right? And that's it. Our capitalization problem is solved. The first letter is converted into uppercase and rest of them are converted to the lowercase. And we can cancel log to see the result. And so you see in the output, right? And so now task number 3. Our task number 3 is interesting. So what we are going to do, we are going to form a new string from the old one. Let's say we have a string like this or like this containing information about the train stations in the north of England. And in the information, we have 3-letter station code followed by some machine readable data followed by a semicolon and followed by a human readable station name. So from this string data, we are going to extract station code and station name. If this is the input, then this would be the output, right? And so here we have a string we are gonna work with. So first we are gonna extract the station code. I mean first 3 characters, and this can easily be done using the slice method. So the first 3 characters are now extracted and we have them in this variable. And now we need to take out this part of the string, and this is gonna be tricky. In order to take this part out of the string, we need the index value of the first letter just after the semicolon because the extraction starts from here. So how do we do that? The logic is simple. We are going to find out the index of this semicolon, and once we have the index of this semicolon, we can start extraction right after the index. And we can easily get the index of the semicolon using the indexOf method. So let's code it. Right, so now we have index number of semicolon, and it's now time to extract everything that we have after the semicolon. And we can do it, as you know, with the help of slice method. To the slice method, we will pass the index and plus 1 in it because we want extraction from here, not from here, right? And finally, we will join both the strings so that we get an output in this format. Now we can cancel log and check the result out in the browser. And so you see a new string from the old one. And now the task number 4, the last and the final task. So here we have a single string containing greeting messages. We have two messages in the string separated by a comma. And we want to take out and print only Christmas greeting. So let's see how we can accomplish this task. I will first get both the messages separated. And so now I will call includes method on both the messages and will pass Christmas as parameter to the includes method. So the includes method will look for the word Christmas, and if it is found, a true is returned. Otherwise, you will get a false. Now we can process true and false in the if statements and print out only the message containing the word Christmas. Now, if you run the program, you will see Merry Christmas message in the console because only this if statement gonna be true. So we have solved all the tasks and I hope you learned something about string manipulation. And I would suggest more practice on that. Search the internet and you will find a lot of exercises on string manipulation. So keep practicing and I will see you in the next tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will learn Boolean data type. Take care of yourself and thanks for watching.